Hello all, welcome to this virtual training event for businesses. I'm Anthony Rivas, I'm the vendor lead, and I'm very excited to be here today. So first of all, I wanted to mention that this initiative we just launched with the town, it's basically to help local small businesses be able to digitize their catalog of inventory and transform them into online stores for the community and the government be able to buy from them. So in this event, you will learn how to access this, how to register. Also, we will be teaching you how you can onboard your inventory for the government and the community be able to find what they need and what you offer. And also, we will teach you how to manage your orders when you get a sale. And last but not least, to access your dashboard with all the data that you will be having. It's important for you to be able to access it and to take some decisions based on that. So with nothing else to add, I think we can start. Website that is commerce.glass/Purcellville. And here's the website for the customers be able to buy what they need. They will be able to search here and to search for the product that you offer. But for the vendors, we have to click here, the For Vendors page. This is the page that pertains to all the businesses be able to know all the things that we offer to them. So we encourage you to read all this information that is here to know what all the things that you're gaining by selling here. You could register here by going to this button, and it's actually super simple for you to fill out your basic information from your business and be able to create your store. But for the sake of this exercise, let's say you already have a store and you want to log in. So here is the button to log in. So now you log into your account, and the first thing that you will see is your dashboard of all the information that you need to know. Here we have enabled a simple guide for you to be able to know what all these buttons do and all the features that we have. For now, the first thing that we would like to do, and for a business be able to sell, you will need to onboard your inventory. So you click here in upload. And for the businesses, we have enabled different kind of methods for them to be able to onboard their products. So let's say you have only 5 or 10 things in your inventory. It's good that you do it one by one. Or if you sell tons of things, like 10,000 of products that you sell, you could do a bulk import. Here you have a bulk import guide for you to be able to read it, and it's super easy to be able to onboard all the things that you have at once. So right now I'm not gonna go into details with this one. Then we have an API. It's enabled for the businesses that already have a website. So it's good because you don't have to reinvent the wheel and have all the things that you have on your website here to onboard them again. What we do is that we connect with your website, and all the things that you have there, you will be able to have it here. And when you receive an order, it will be reflected on both sites. So it's good. And last but not least, we know that some businesses may not have the time to do this, so we offer them the help if they gave us some information that we can use, and we do it for them. So right now we're going to do the one by one to teach you how to do it. So let's add a product. So let's say you want to add a laptop, which is something that you sell. The category, it could be an office supplies category. So you select the one with the Purcellville name. The description, and also you can select a picture of your product. Here we have a picture of laptop. and you can fill out all the information. But the information that we need is if it's the type, if it's something physical, if it's a service, the product name, the category, description, the photos, and the price. So it's important for you to have the price. Let's say I want to sell this at 800. The quantity in stock, how much you have in your inventory to be able to sell. Let's say 10. The location of an inventory, if you have it on your store or if it's something that you resell and it's on another country, you could put the country right here. Let's say United States. Then we go to shipping. So we usually take care of the shipping, but it's important for you to tell us the weight of the product, the how many do you ship in a box, and the dimensions of the box. So for the exercise, we're going to mark free shipping because sometimes we offer that to the buyers. And then all you have to fill out is the processing time. This is how much you take to fulfill the order. So let's say 2 or 3 days, and the warranty, let's say none. So this is all the information that we need, but there are tons of other things that you might want to fill out. And if you don't know what is something, you could click here the question mark, and you're able to see a description of the thing that you need to fill out. So after you are done, you hit the create. And it's important to let you know that this is not live yet. First, we will need to check it. As it says here, the store administration will need to make sure that all the thing that is here is good. And after you finish, you could go to products and you could see the list of all the products that you have already onboarded. You will see the status. As you can see, the laptop requires the approval of the store administrator, and others are active. So after, if you want to see how your store looks, you could click here on Preview Store, and you will be able to see all the products that you have already live. Let's say let's click this one so you can see how it looks. And you will see here the product name, price, the processing time, all the information that you fill out in the back end. You will see it here. This is what the buyer will see: the description, the specifications, all the features if you have, and they will be able to add to cart and to buy. So let's say a buyer already bought one of your items. Then you will need to go to orders to be able to see the list of all the things, of all the orders that you have. It's important to notice that you will receive a notification by email when you receive a sale, and you have the option to accept or to accept if you have the item on inventory and it's ready to sell. So let's go to orders, and here you will see a list of all the orders that you have. So let's click on one, and when you click on one, you will be able to have all the information that you need to know: the customer information, the address, the shipping address. You will need to have the quantity, the price, and if you want to add some notes to the customer, to the staff, that means to us, and you will be able to see all the information here. If you need to track, if you deliver yourself, you could add the tracking number here. And also you could add some documentation if you want. If you want to generate a shipping label, you're able to do so also here. After you finish, you could save changes here, and you can notify the vendor. That means yourself, the customer, or us. So also we wanted to teach you how to go to your account and to change all the information that is there. It's important for you to have your information up to date. So you go to this account and you go to company, And here you will have all the information that you fill out when you created your store. If by some time you need to edit it, this is the way to do it. And it's important for you to fill out all the information that you need, because also when you sell to the government might need more information. Um, it's important also for you to fill out your bank account for us to be able to pay you when you have a sale. Also, you can have the description of your business, your logos, your documentation, which is important when you sell to the government, the opening hours that you have, and all the information that you might need. Also, the administrators. Let's say you have an employee that helps you to manage your account. You could create them a user, and they will be able to have all the access that you have here, and you could share your account. If by some time they are no longer with you, you could change the status and you could disable them. Also, it's important, the support. We are here to help. So if you get lost and you want help, you could go to our help center, or you could chat with me and schedule a meeting. You just click here, and you will have the access to a link for us to arrange a meeting and to help you in whatever you might need. Also, you have the live chat right here. If you want to chat with me live, if you're doing something live right here and you need my help, you could write me a message and I will get back to you. And last but not least, I wanted to mention the dashboard that you have here when you enter your store. And it's good for you to have all this information, because, for example, if you're selling something uh, a, a lot, it's good for you to be able to have this information for you to be able to manufacture more of that inventory, or track your orders, your taxes, and compare within dates, and also the sales by state, which in this case is sales by town, because you are not only allowed to sell to your town, but also whoever wants to buy from you is able to buy from you directly from your store. So, last but not least, as I mentioned, you could preview your store here, and this is a link that you could share with your customers, with your consumers, and they will be able to see your store online here, and they will be able to buy from you. So it's good that maybe if a buyer don't want to go physical to your store, they will be able to buy here from you. So, lastly, thank you all for being part of this event. I hope that you learned a lot, and I wanted to put myself at your disposal. If you need like any help or something, I'm here to help you. So glad all that you could join, and we'll see you soon.